Hi, we're back again. My name is Albert. I'm your coach, expert, and chef executive, or executive chef, whichever way you want to call it. Hey, before we start anything, because we're going to show you what the ice cream looks like, the vanilla and chocolate split, I need those on the 19 by 6 right here. That's you guys right here. I don't mean to point. I need everybody that's watching these videos. One favor I ask from you. I need you to hit the red button and subscribe. Thumbs up if you like it. Leave a comment. That will help me a lot. Once I pass, I need 1,000 subscribers on these channels. If you help me, I won't let you down with the food, because I know you a lot like the food that I make. That's all I ask you. Just subscribe to the channel. That's very easy. Help me, and I'll make sure you get your videos. How to make food and how to make it the right way. Okay? Thanks a lot for watching. Okay, so here's the ice cream that was made yesterday. It has been in the refrigerator. I haven't touched it. It has been in the refrigerator since the time I ended the other videos. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Do you see this? How it is? It's frozen. I know there's more vanilla. I was trying to go for strawberry, but strawberry has to be pureed. Gotta take the strawberry, break it down. We'll do that another time. But I just wanted to, our main focus was to show you how the vanilla and the chocolate come out. It looks pretty, doesn't it? I know. Voila. I should say. Okay, so now, in video 3 for you guys down here, the short video, yeah, so it'll be a third video, okay? So I do appreciate it. Thanks for watching, okay? And you guys up there with the widescreen video, stay tuned. Alright. So, let me get the show on the road. Okay, we're all in sync here. Great. Alright. So, this is a nice scooper. Where did I get this? I think I got this at Target. You know, Target is very strange. Target in the United States. I don't know about other countries. Okay, we're going to take the vanilla. See? So, let me show everybody, because everybody's watching. See how easy it is to scoop? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You see that? Look at that. Look at that. See? Watch this. And then you just push it, and it should come out. It should be easy. Okay, I'll use my finger. I should put a little water in there. That's the trick in there. Alright, so you see? Look at the texture of that. You see that up there? See the texture? It's good, huh? Now I'm going to do the chocolate. Well, let me bring the video and show you that one. Okay, stay tuned. Okay. Okay, here. Everybody's in sync. So here's the vanilla scoop. I put this in a little water. Okay, so we're going to scoop the chocolate one out. Might be a little different than the top one. Okay, this a little piece. This will show you guys what we're dealing with. Okay, so this is the chocolate. See how it came out? That's the chocolate. Alright, let me cover this up before, because I live in a hot climate and this thing was about to melt. Alright, okay, got your attentions. So, here we go. You want to try first? You guys down here? How about you guys up here? You want to try first? Okay. I'm mellow. It's delicious. If you want it more sugary, then you would add sugar. If you don't want it. Because right out the box, this is a lot of sugar. It's not bad though. Not like what you get in the supermarket. Yeah. Okay, we're going to lose our friends down here. Alright. Okay, let's continue on. Alright, so, like I said, this is very tasty. You can add more sugar for those of you who like sugar, but you shouldn't really, you know. It's up to you. Me, this is enough. And you could also make chocolate vanilla shake. How would you do that? We'll do that in another video. I don't have no. You can use milk or you can use water, but it's better to use milk. You don't need whipping cream for shakes. That's too much. You only need it for this. So try it. I have another video. It's on. It shows you how to do the Oreos and cookies and cream. Yeah. It's a little different process. It takes a little longer. But anyway, hey, you guys down here, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the thumbs button. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time, alright? Bye for now. And everybody up here, yes, and the widescreen. So this is easy to make. And you can, like I said, you can make shakes and all sorts of things. Alright, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.